Hello folks, Waz here from B&B. Got this absolutely stunning crafter in. It's sort of partial camper van and a big storage in the back. Guy's a sort of bike rider, so he travels the world in it. It's come in, we've added a reverse camera, a dash camera, and then we've also added the Alpine 11-inch and kept all the vehicle data working through using C2 equipment. I'll give you a quick walk through. Okay, so let's fire this baby up. An 11-inch in the dash. Doesn't even look wrong, looks absolutely perfect.
Continuous recording will now start.
That there is the Alpine dash cam, just monitoring the vehicle. Unit itself now has a reverse camera. So we've got that. We'll be adding the lines for ease of parking once we're outside. Pressing home, got DAB, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Apple CarPlay is wireless, and then the dash cam works through the unit itself. Absolutely stunning bit of kit. Sound quality is awesome. If I go to the steering wheel, that's all working, and if I press the speech button twice, we've now got all the vehicle settings. So pretty trick. Just gonna get out of this. And if I press the speech button twice and you connect it to Apple or Android, you'll get Siri or Google Assist. If interested, get in touch. We've got a few left in stock, as these products are so hot you can't get them. Give me a shout, Waz, B&B Audioconcepts, 02920 707 275. I have had a shave today, but I just can't be bothered showing my face. Thank you, bye.